Hello, good morning. Happy Monday. Yeah, live. Minor technicalities this morning, but we're here, so I'm happy. I just wanted to share some updates with you guys, some new pieces that I'm working on. Wanted to share, exciting, this piece was accepted into a show, so that is going to be going into a show that's opening up this week. We'll tell you a little more about that in just a moment. These two pieces here, I don't even know where to start. They're not totally done, getting close, but these are mixed media. These are technically part of the ReFashion Resculpt series because they are 3D, some real serious texture. And I apologize, I know it's really hard to see, and I'm not going to take my camera off the tripod because that's when usually things go downhill when I start moving things around. But there's a lot of texture. See? Yep. Okay, I'm going to just play it safe and not touch anything. Hey guys, how are you? Thanks for joining, answering your questions. Happy to hear your feedback. Names for these? Yes, would love. Any thoughts? So these are both 36 inches by 48 inches. Although that doesn't seem right because they are huge. They're actually very huge, standing, just so you can get the idea. They feel bigger than 36 by 48. I'll remeasure that and put that on my stories. But yes, these are mixed media, not totally done. And I'm not totally sure, but I love the boldness. It's like they've got such impact. And I would totally love them, ideally framed actually. I think that would have the biggest impact and statement, the biggest style statement on the walls of your home or business. So framed, definitely. But yeah, I think together as well because they're large and they could take up a really great big wall. Thank you. Thank you. And then this one here, this one is called Whiteout, and this is also obviously part of the ReFashion Resculpt series. This is made using unrecyclable plastic. And yeah, I love this one. I love this one so much. Yeah, 18 by 24 inches. And this one has got some real great volume. And again, I don't want to take this off, but really great big volume. So this, I feel, would have wonderful impact on the wall of your home. And again, I think framed. It would be best, but I'm going to leave it unframed for now. This is actually the third show that this piece has been in, but it's still available. So a little bit of a mystery to me, but yes. So the third show that this one is going to be featured in, and the opening reception for that show, which is at the Flynn Foundation, downtown Phoenix, that will be opening this Wednesday. And more details on that to come. I'm not totally sure if that building is open to the public or open by appointment only, but it is a great big art show that is opening in there. And this is going to be part of it. So very excited, more to come on that. But wanted to share that this piece is officially still available for purchase, but officially going into another show. And then of course, these wonderful big gargantuan pieces, not done yet, but close. Send me ideas for names. If you have thoughts, where should I go next? Should I add color? When I set out to make these, I first thought I'm going to do like some deep jewel tones, greens, blues. And then, it's like, I just got to follow my intuition. And as I got into it, it was like, nope, I'm going to stick with these tonal colors. So it's a lot of black and white, some cream. This is almost like a gray black, like a smoky black. It has like almost like an undertone of purple, like a purplish smoky black, like a purplish charcoal. But yeah, so wanted to share that, guys. And also I have a week off from events, well, other than my show opening reception this week. And then I'm going to be working on my work, some new work, finishing up some pieces that are in progress, work in progress. And then I have my Camelback Studio Tour. So if you are in Phoenix, if you're in the Arizona area, please, please, please come. Or if you can't come, please, please, please spread the word, share with your network if you know anyone, an art lover that might be interested. This is, again, part of the Camelback Studio Tour. This is an art tour that has been, I don't know, this is maybe year 16. It's been many, many years they've been doing this every November. And so this year, exciting, I am going to be presenting from my home. This is the second year I've done it. It's a free self-guided art tour. So there's actually 30 artists that are going to be on this art tour. And I am just one of those stops on the tour. So all of my work will be showing here. And I also, exciting news, I'm going to have another artist showing with me, my friend Sin Silva. She's really amazing. I love her style. Super modern, like, you know, some of her stuff's a little edgy, but she also has some not so edgy stuff. But abstract, modern art, and all of her work is 2D. They are paintings, really fabulous, stylish work. So we both share that. We both have that in common. So I think it's going to be a really amazing show. So I hope you will stop by. And I will be putting that link. It is in my bio. If you want to check that out, Camelback Studio Tour, and that's November 12th, Saturday, 10 to 5, and Sunday, November 13th, 10 to 4. So no RSVP required, no tickets. It is totally drop-in, so drop in anytime. We're gonna have music, we're gonna have food, we're gonna have drinks. It's gonna be really, really, really fabulous. And of course, I'll be doing special pricing on all of my work that weekend, not that day, that whole weekend. So if you wanna take advantage of those special prices, then I hope you'll come by. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of one of my prints, and I'll have some new products that I'm also going to be unveiling, some new lifestyle products. So that's also pretty exciting. So come on down, you guys. Don't be a stranger. And if you want further details, or if you want like a little digital flyer to share with your network or on your Instagram or with anyone else you know that might be interested, just shoot me a DM and I'll send that over to you and the websites and everything. But if you want to just head to the link in my bio, the website is there showing the whole map of all of the artists on the tour as well as myself. And hey guys, hey Laura, Scrub Studio, it's so good to see you. Don Hasselback, good to see you. Anthony, what's up? Thank you. Thank you. Well, Laura, if you are here the weekend of November 12th and 13th, I hope you can stop by. It's going to be really fun at my home showing with another artist, Sin Silva. And yeah, hopefully these pieces will be done and wired to hang. Or I don't know, maybe I'll just show them as like a work in progress piece. People always seem to love that. But yeah, so these will be done soon, and I do think they would be best framed. I really do, just to like pull it all together. And also framing can really personalize any given piece to your very specific style, to your specific aesthetic. So that's it, guys. Oh, and last, I just want to thank everyone and anyone who came out to support the Free Arts Art from the Heart art auction event. This was their annual big fundraiser. It was amazing. God, the co-chairs, Lisa Portugal and Liz Shawbaker did an amazing job. It was like gorgeous food, music, no detail spared. And I really do hope they raised a lot of money. I had one piece that was in the show and it did sell. I did put that on my feed yesterday, of course. I love that piece so much. It was fluff and that did sell. But just to give you an idea also, guys, check out that post in my feed so you can see an example of one of my ReFashion resculpt pieces framed. So this one can be framed. It is currently unframed, but framing, it does really, it gives it a certain type of impact. And maybe not everybody wants that or desires that for their home or workspace, but if you do, framing can really, it can really change things quite a bit. So that was an amazing event and a huge win. I thought I was really honored to be a part of it because Free Arts is one of the organizations that I will be donating a portion of my proceeds this year to. So also just another thing, I want to remind you, a portion of my proceeds from this entire year will be donated to Free Arts. And that is an organization, it's a nonprofit here in Arizona that does work with abused and traumatized children using arts and art mentors, adult art mentors to bring them resilience. and really changes their lives. And for a lot of them, it's a lifeline. It is a total lifesaver. So really happy to be a part of that. Anyway, you guys know I love just sitting on here and running my mouth off. So I gotta get on the road. I've got things to do today, so I won't burden you with me blabbering on today. But thank you for joining here. Thank you for all your support. If you want to get on my email updates, because I will have some special things coming out for holidays, of course. That is link in bio, second option down. Get on my email updates. If you want to check out my original artwork, that is available for sale. Link in bio, third option down. And if you want to come visit me on the Camelback Studio Tour for my next art show, open house, then link in bio, that very first option. All right, guys, cheers. Nice to see you and happy Monday. Bye-bye.